Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday. So again, on our 3-layer cake, we have our routines, our basic weekly plan, and our zone. So we're going to start with our routines. Now, if this sounds foreign to you, or you're not quite sure what's in a routine, or what a basic weekly plan is, or what a zone is, because those are 3 distinct things, I would love for you to watch my video on how to do the FlyLady system for newbies. I feel that it will explain everything and make things so much clearer. You can find it on my homepage. It is 40 minutes long. I'll ask you to be patient, to take notes, and to refer to them often. But it's a lot quicker than reading a book, right? Okay. Then come back, and when you watch the daily videos, you're going to go, aha, I don't even have to do anything but routines because I'm new or whatever. So go watch that video first, then come on back. And if you feel that this is something that really benefits you, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button, because every single solitary morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be putting out a video just for you on what to do every day. And it's not a lot. It's easy. Promise. I have faith in you. You can do this even if you believe you can't. And most people who come to the FlyLady system do so because their house is out of control. And they feel, therefore, that their life is out of control, and they've got a lot of anxiety about it. And a lot of them may even be like borderline ADD or maybe full-blown ADHD. Maybe you're not, maybe you are. Come see. Okay, here's what we're going to do today. Our morning routines are first. So we're going to get up before the family. That's not a tall order. You can do this. Remember, routines are for you. So you do your morning routine. You don't leave the room until that item is done in that room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. Once that's done, then you can take care of your family and or your pets, depending on what you've got, and put your children through their routines. Once it's all done, the beds are made, the bathroom looks nice and tidy, the sinks are shiny, the toilets are shiny, the dishes have been put away, and all is well in the world. The kids have been fed. All right, so if you have to go to work, I'm going to talk to the Fly Babies who are payroll Fly Babies, or as I call them, Fly Ladies, no, payroll lions, sorry, a little confusion, payroll lions. You go on to work, and you're going to have peace in your day because you're going to know everything's okay at home. When you get to work, you're going to say hello to your coworkers, friends, and or employees. You're going to go to your desk with your beverage. You're going to have a nice clean desk because you followed your control journal for work in my playlist, Control Journals. And then when you have a break and or you have lunch, you're going to take full advantage of those, because don't do like I did and like so many other people did. I felt like before I had my control journal, I had to work through every lunch. I took lunch at my desk. I didn't take a break. There's no need for that. You need to break. You need to get away. You need to refresh yourself. And during this time, you could take care of personal things instead of trying to squeeze it in your work time. And you all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so you're going to look today and see what we can do for our basic weekly plan. Our basic weekly plan for Thursday is Errand Day. That includes taking things to the Goodwill, or whatever charity of your choice. And you can do that on your way home or on your way into the office. It includes getting your groceries. Well, you can't get groceries at lunch because where are you going to put them? You're not going to leave them in the trunk. They'll either freeze or melt, right? So my suggestion is order them to be picked up or delivered, or delegate this duty, or do it on Saturday. Unfortunately, doing it on Saturday takes a bite out of your day. So that's my suggestion. And other errands. Many times on my lunch hour, I've done personal errands. You know, maybe picked up a birthday present, took a piece of jewelry to the jeweler's, whatever it is, you know, those little errands that we have to do. Also, today is the day that you take care of your inbox at home. That's all the action items and filing items. So you might want to put those in your purse before you, not the filing, but the action items. Stick those in your purse, so on your break or your lunch hour, you can call the dentist. You can talk to the person about XYZ, whatever it is, okay? And if you're doing this every single week, you won't have a pile of things to do. You'll just have one, maybe none, maybe two to do. It won't be a lot. All right. Next thing we're going to do is when you go home today, what are you going to do? So you've done your morning routine, basically taking care of your errands by way of ordering and maybe doing a little bit at work. And then the third thing is your zone. So when you get home, the first thing you're going to do is another routine, laundry routine. Put your laundry in. While the laundry's working, right, it washes itself, you're going to get your inch of paper. If you have paper clutter, 1 inch, no more. Go through it very quickly. You're not handling it. You're simply delegating it to yourself for next Wednesday by putting action items in your inbox, filing items in your inbox, and trash in the garbage. Be very careful to monitor paper that comes into your house by way of children or the mailbox, and get rid of that trash. File it right away. File it in your inbox, your action items. So when you have desk day, that's when you take care of it. Most things that come in the mail are trash. Most things that your kids bring home from work are not going to be saved forever, hopefully. All right, so, and I've talked about that before in paper clutter videos, but I just want you to remember that you're not going to add to the clutter you already have. You're going to keep it calm by going through these things. And this is not a big job. It takes a second because, again, you're not handling it. You're simply sorting it. All right, so that's a 2-minute sort to get through an inch. Remember, if you go through 6 inches in 6 days, 12 inches in 12 days, you're going through 2 feet in 4 weeks. 2 feet in 4 weeks. How many feet of paper clutter do you have? Let's get rid of it, an inch at a time. All right, so that's beside the point. You're getting your laundry done. You're going through an inch of paper. These are like boom, boom. Next, you're going to go make dinner. It's time to make dinner when you first come home. So get your dinner started. Once your dinner is cooking in the oven, in the crock pot, in the Instant Pot, in the air fryer, on the stove, it gets to cook for a bit. So sometimes it's 20 minutes, sometimes it's 10 minutes. What can you do during that time? Okay, let's think about your basic weekly plan, your weekly home blessing hour. It has 6 parts. Have you delegated all 6 parts? Have you handled all 6 parts? Are you planning on doing all 6 parts on Saturday? That's an hour, another hour out of your week. So if you can do 10 minutes for 6 days, or delegate it, you won't even have to do it at all. These are tiny little jobs that do not require perfection. These are quickies. These are not deep cleans. But if you have no one to delegate to and you don't want to do it on Saturday, then quick, go do your basic or your weekly home blessing hour. So pick one thing. Let's say today is wipe the spots off the glass. That is not a full-fledged wiping the mirrors. It's just that spot's gone. Where else can I find a spot? That spot's gone. 10 minutes, nothing. Okay, 10 minutes is not nothing. There are many of us who would give our eye teeth for 10 extra minutes, but take that 10 minutes while your food is cooking. Then go back in the kitchen, make sure everything's okay, and then if it's cooked or if it has to continue, it can hold, or if it needs to continue to cook, take 10 to 15 minutes to work in your zone. The zone we're in this week is the bathroom and one other room. So pick the main bathroom or one other room and work. If you need to declutter, that's 15 minutes plus about 2 minutes to complete the process. And if you don't have clutter, then you're going to do one deep clean thing. A deep clean thing in a room with no clutter is like 5 minutes, 2 minutes. I mean, some things don't take long at all. Imagine wiping the baseboards down in your bathroom. Just a second or two, really, not long. But let's say you wanted to, I don't know, clean your window in your bathroom or your Venetian, or your blinds, not your Venetian blinds. That's what we used to call them. Your blinds in your bathroom, or you needed to stand up in the middle of the tub and clean the walls and clean out the tub. You know, that's a 10-minute job maybe. All right. So once that's done, you're done. Or if you're not in the bathroom, maybe you're in the guest room, you're in the laundry room, you're in the playroom, you're in one of the kids' rooms, you're in the garage, whatever room you choose to work in this week. Do one thing in there. If it's decluttering, it's 15 minutes plus 2 minutes to put away. If it's a deep clean and the room doesn't have any clutter in it, it's going to be so easy to do something. One thing. Okay. Then you come back to dinner, serve dinner, Then after dinner, the whole family, and we're going to be met now by our daytime, our homemakers that are our fly ladies, fly babies at home, are going to be in union with you, because all of us are going to have our families help us clean the kitchen. And it's going to be fun. Make it fun and it will get done. Tiny little jobs. You stand in there and set the example. Sing, dance, make it fun, whatever it is. If a child is 4 years old and can carry their plate and walk, they can put their dish in the dishwasher. Or they can put their dish in the sink, right? Somebody can wipe the table. Somebody else can sweep up whatever little things have spilled on the floor. That doesn't mean a big sweep and a big mop. We're talking about quickie stuff. Somebody else can wipe the counter. Somebody else can wash the dishes. Maybe it's you. All right, then when that's over, we're going to talk about before bed routine. Now listen for that laundry. If you're a person who works outside the home, is it time to put it in the dryer? If it is, put it in. Now go ahead and do before bed routines. If you're still feeling lively, put the little ones through their before bed routine first. If you're feeling worn out, go ahead and refresh yourself by taking your bath or shower and getting ready for bed, taking off your makeup. Then when you're done, you can put your children through their before bed routine. Then you can fold your laundry and relax. Okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. And I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.